Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to request a loan modification with Lendingclub. Sometimes financial situations change and keeping up with your original loan terms may become difficult. In such cases, requesting a loan modification with Lendingclub can help you to manage repayments more efficiently without having to fall into default. The first step is to contact Lendingclub's customer support team directly. Loan modification requests aren't available through the app or website menus. You're going to need to explain your situations to a representative. Be prepared to share details about why you're struggling, whether due to job loss, medical expenses, or another financial hardship. The more documentations you provide, the easier it is for Lendingclub to review your case. Depending on your circumstances, Lendingclub may offer several types of modifications. These might include lowering your monthly payments by extending the loan terms, as well as adjusting your due dates to align with your pay schedules, or in some cases, temporarily reducing your interest rates. The exact option varies and are determined after reviewing your income, debt obligations, and payment history. Keep in mind that modifications are not guaranteed. Lendingclub evaluates requests on a case-by-case basis, so maintaining open communication is key. Even if a modification isn't guaranteed, they may suggest alternative solutions such as hardship programs or payment deferrals. Once approved, the new term will be provided in writing. Be sure to review them carefully before agreeing. Following the updated plan consistently not only helps you to stay current, but also protect your credit profile. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.